So it's 9,000 BTU Seville, and we found the item that's making the noise. Hold it like this, Tone. So if I spin it here, you will see there's like right there. Something fell right there. Now, you may have to get the phone off and do this. Hold the video.
Okay. Give me 1 minute.
Right there. That's what fell in. It's a piece of packaging right there. No, don't turn anymore. That came from the cardboard box. And when it dropped down, it dropped into the tumbler. Where is it? There it is. Can you hold the camera? Zoom in with your other hand. Where is the screwdriver? This one right there. Can you see it? Once I take that out, then my problem is solved. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. I have to put all this back. It took us about like 15, 20 minutes with two people to get to the spot. Risk her out.